To me, corporate social responsibility means that you give back to the society from which you take so much.
Generally, people do business with lot of compromises, adjustments. And what are these adjustments? The adjustments are like generation of black money, evasion of tax, planning for tax. So these are so many adjustments which people normally do. We were also doing the same thing because everybody thought this is the way to do business. We also thought this is the way to do business. But something happened in 1983 and the results came in 1986. So I decided that from 1986 onwards, if at all I do business, I will do it ethically. Otherwise, I will forget this business.
There seems to be tremendous self-control and a rich level of trust in this business ashram.
जिस बात की तरफ कंपनी का ध्यान ना हो वो तो हमें ही बतानी पड़ेगी ना।
पाटिल तुम कुत्ते की दुम हो, सर जबान संभाल के बात कीजिएगा, वरना क्या कर लोगे? वरना तुम कुछ नहीं करोगे, जो कुछ भी करना है वो मैं करूंगा और तुम्हारे आधे दिन की पगार भी काट लूंगा, समझे?
भोसले, ये क्या मनमानी हुई? मैं खन्ना साहब के पास जाऊंगा।
अरे जाओ, भोसले किसी से नहीं डरता, समझे?
In this case study, we have seen that supervisor thinks that worker is supposed to use only his hands and not his brain. The senior management, Mr. Khanna, he knows that worker is not supposed to use only his hands but is supposed to use his brain also.
When I got widow in the age of 25, 26, don't you think it was too tough for me? So in that kind of conservative society, it was very hard. And I don't say it was very easy for me here, it was even tougher than that. But the society is open and liberty is there to do a lot of things. There is no boundary for that.
Friends, we must congratulate Asian Center for Research and Training for giving us an excellent exposure to a live case study of Shashi Anand.
So money is not important, but self-esteem is important. Ego is not important, but your dignity of labor is more important.
फिर एक बार सब वर्कर के साथ बात करनी पड़ेगी। लेकिन ये क्या तरीका हुआ मैनेजर साहब का बातें करने का? कहते हैं कंपनी में लॉकआउट जारी करेंगे। अरे कंपनी क्या इनके बाप की जायदाद है? कंपनी हमारी भी है। पिछले 20 साल से हम यहाँ काम करते आए हैं। हर एक वर्कर ने अपना यहाँ खून पसीना एक किया है। हमारा भी कंपनी के प्रति कुछ हक बनता है। माना कि कोई एक कंपनी का मालिक है जरूर, लेकिन हमारे लिए कंपनी ही सब कुछ है। वैसे मैनेजर साहब ठीक कहते थे, ये मांगना चलता रहेगा, लेकिन कब तक? कंपनी है तब तक।
Very big need for a mindset change at the worker level, at the union level, at managers level, at the owners level, at politicians level, at bureaucrats level, all levels. There has to be a mindset change that business is best done when there is competition. Competition is good for everybody. It brings down prices, it brings you better quality.
A simple example, when a housewife converts an atta into a chapati, it's a typical input to output process. The input is atta, the process is with a belan, you change a form, and the output is a chapati. Now what is atta? Atta here, my dear friends, is material.
पहली गलती तो मेरी है
कि मैं इस बात के लिए आप लोगों पर निर्भर रहा। एक बार भी अगर मैं क्रॉस चेक कर लेता तो नौबत यहां तक आती ही नहीं थी। और जादव, हिट ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में सिर्फ एक नोट देकर आपका काम खत्म हो जाता है, आपकी जिम्मेदारी पूरी हो जाती है। वो नोट जिसे दी गई है वो उसने ढंग से पढ़ी है या नहीं पढ़ी है, वो बात उसके समझ में आई है या नहीं आई है, ये देखना हमारा काम है कि नहीं है?
Over here, Jadhav should have been far more responsible. Why Jadhav? Every person in the chain of command in the organization has equal responsibility. Feedback is the key to effective communication.
Whoever is going to communicate with the patients, whether it is a ward boy, maushi, juniors, nurse or the doctor, they have to be certain standard uniformity. First and foremost, we have to be polite. There is just no reason why any of us needs to lose our temper.
What is the procedure for allotment of shares?
Assume that the number of successful applicants, those who have applied for certain number of shares, is much more than the shares available for allotment, then naturally I have to go to the stock exchange and decide the basis of allotment. As you will understand, hardly in practical life it would happen that I have say 5 lakhs of shares available for issue and exactly 5 lakhs applications I receive. And it's a bit complicated process which stock exchanges along with the merchant banker and share transfer agents would decide that what would be the basis of allotment.
इस केस के बारे में जो भी आरोप है उसका पूरा खंडन करेंगे लिखित स्वरूप में। इसके बाद में क्या होगा, ईओ दीक्षित साहब उसके ऊपर गौर करेंगे और अपना निर्णय मैनेजमेंट को दे देंगे।
It is very, very important that everybody who is present, I mentioned about the quorum, everybody who is present in the quorum must sign on the statements which are being recorded before the inquiry officer.
The candidate can actually transform the discussion into a very high level of energy, and when that kind of energy flows, it symbolizes or it reflects the interest of the candidate and his capabilities.
It is possible that some questions he cannot answer. Even then, candidate should never become nervous.
आदमी ही आदमी के काम आता है ना, इंसानियत तो इंसान ही दिखा सकता है ना। अब बोलो, क्या मेरे बेटे को रास्ते से उठाकर हॉस्पिटल ले जाना उनका काम था? क्या मिलने वाला था उनको? क्या वो मेरी चमचेगिरी कर रहे थे?
Here is a typical Ganesh who showed full commitment. He has identified his mission, and I feel that the real challenge for the bosses is to see that employees develop or identify the mission. The work is a mission, the work is not a punishment. Once they identify their mission, mission becomes very productive. There is a sense of achievement, and all of them then work together. There is absolutely no communication gap. I think this is something which is not shown in any textbook at all. It can't be obtained in classroom lectures.